Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Realme. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then you need to type in iOS launcher and install this free app from this developer. Now, just tap on Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. Then click on Home button. Now access device settings and choose Apps section over here. Then choose Default Apps, click on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Then choose Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into the same default Home app settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!